and welcome to another episode of Between Plays. Alright guys, so basically going to be looking at an update on NIO AUTO. Thought it was very interesting, wanted to share this with you guys. Okay, so it's a very quick video. And what we got going on here is the question that we have from Yahoo Finance basically is saying, is NIO stock outpacing its auto, tires, and trucks peers this year? It's a really good article. Thought it should be shared. And basically what it's saying is that the NIO is a stock that can grab certainly the attention of many investors. And to answer the question is it's saying that the NIO, in the auto, trucks, and tire sector, the group includes 95 individual stocks and currently holds a ZAC sector rank of 2. All right. So NIO is currently sporting a ZAC rank of 2. That is very good. I'm actually not surprised. I mean, the vehicles NIO, just looking at them, they are very beautiful vehicles. I know when it comes to vehicles, people are sensitive. They're going to talk about like other vehicles and say, well, I'm not comparing. I'm just saying NIO vehicles are beautiful, as are other vehicles. But the NIO vehicles are really, really nice. So basically, according to, one second here. So the ZAC's consensus estimate for NIO's full year earnings has moved 41.60% higher over the past 3 months. According to our latest data, NIO has moved about 433.33% on a year-to-date basis. All right. Meanwhile, the stocks in the auto, tires, trucks group have gained about 38.65% on average. This means that NIO is performing better than its sector in terms of year-to-date returns. Breaking things down more, NIO is a member of the automotive foreign industry, which includes 23 individual companies and currently sits at number 117 in the ZAC's industry rank. On average, stocks in this group have lost 7.11%, all right, this year, meaning that NIO is performing better in terms of year-to-date returns. Basically, we're saying that NIO is going to continue its solid performance in the future. Then I fell on another article that I thought was very, very interesting from Simply Wall Street. And it says here that we'll run through one of the estimating the intrinsic value of NIO Limited. All right. And this is as of yesterday. Both articles are from the 9th of October. All right. 2020. So it's just saying that companies can be valued in a lot of different ways and whatever, the calculation. So we're going to use a 2-stage DCF model, which, as the name states, takes into account 2 stages of growth. The first stage is generally a higher growth period, which levels off, heading towards the terminal value. Captured in the second steady growth period. To start off with, we need to estimate the next 10 years of cash flow, all right? Where possible, we use analyst estimates, but when these aren't available, we extrapolate the previous free cash flow from the last estimate of reported value. All right. So we assume companies with shrinking free cash flow will slow their rate of shrinkage, and that companies with growing free cash flow will see their growth rate slow over the period. So we would do this to reflect the companies in the future years. So present value of 10-year cash flow. So they calculate that, right, and over the 10 years. And what they come up with is that the current price of $21.44 is undervalued by 19.6%. Simply Wall Street is putting the fair value at 26.67% as of yesterday. So for anyone holding NIO stocks, congratulations, this is excellent. It's just great. It's just great. So we know what we need to know about NIO. I will definitely be going through another video where we're going to look at the financials and the whole 9 yards of NIO. But NIO is just growing in leaps and bounds, and we know that they have the backing of their government. fully involved. And they had stated in March, April that they would not allow NIO to fail at that time, and they didn't. So anyways, the EV sector in China and around the world is just going to grow. And China is definitely on board with getting zero net emissions done as quickly as possible. So NIO's future is extremely bright. What else do we got here? An expansion that they were talking about, an expansion going in through Europe. So that is also very, very positive as well. So when you look at NIO, I mean, there's nothing that we can say. The car itself is just a thing of beauty. And let's just take one more look here. Yeah, no, 1 second. Of course. And here we are. 2147, that's right. And let's just take a look at this. The 7-seater, the ES8 7-seater is a very beautiful vehicle as well. Let's continue to site, cancel. So NIO gains 4.31% on Wednesday's market snap back. NIO is on the precipice of an electric vehicle revolution in its domestic market of China. Industry leader Tesla delivers memo stating estimated delivery of 500,000 cars in 2020 despite COVID-19 pandemic. So NIO's bounced back Wednesday alongside broader markets. So NIO peaked at 21.77 per share, but once again the stock was able to break the 22 price barrier and close around 21.56. And we're looking at 64 million new vehicles purchased around the world across all automakers, and an estimated 21 million of those vehicles were in China. And the Chinese government is already granting massive subsidies to residents who purchase electric vehicles, especially from domestic brands like NIO, XPeng, and Candy. So it's saying that although NIO still trails industry leader Tesla in sales in China and around the world, there is a reason for optimism behind NIO's own continued triple-digit growth in monthly deliveries. NIO is set to penetrate the European market, as I just stated, as early as next year, which provides another booming electric vehicle market to boost its deliveries. And this was written on October 8th. So, listen guys, NIO is a beautiful car, it's a beautiful company, it's a beautiful stock to own, and it's definitely the future. It's definitely one of the most beautiful vehicles out there in the future, for sure. Everything about it is you know, even its logo, the emblem, the name alone, the interior, the way the finishing is made, the exterior, and the ES8 is just beautiful too for a 7-seater. So that's just it, guys. Listen, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I will be doing a complete workup on NIO in the very near future. So it's something that you know, anytime I get news on NIO, I'm going to be putting it up on this site. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for information when it comes up on NIO stocks or any other stocks. And of course, naturally, the more subscriber I have, the easier it is for me to continue doing this. All right, so don't forget to hit those buttons and comment. Please comment, guys. All right, so have yourselves a great evening.